I'm Ed Evans, and I'm here to share some information you will not find on Fox News, ever probably. From Carbon Brief, you can go to carbonbrief.org and get your own email and learn about Carbon Brief day to day or weekly, whatever you want. From New on Carbon Brief, media reaction, the 2025 Los Angeles wildfires, and the role of climate change. Let me tell you now, Hoaxman doesn't know what he's talking about. California had 2 years running of atmospheric rivers. That means a lot of water got dumped on California, Southern California, in a very brief period of time. And chaparral, the plants, some folks call those chaparral plants weeds. In any case, they grew mightily. And as things would have it, the new climate change causes California to have longer summers and shorter winters, which means this year California has had a drought and the chaparral became very dry. Well, guess what? Wildfire happened. Can't put it out. They get it out soon, but it's been hard because of the Santa Ana winds. Look up Santa Ana winds on Wikipedia. Look up climate science history while you're there too. Climate and energy news. U.S. Supreme Court declines to hear from oil and gas companies trying to block climate change lawsuits. I guess that's good news, but we will see. Dangerous winds expected to amplify California wildfires as death toll hits 24. It will grow. Every year it will grow because the planet is warming. The more carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere, the laws of physics tell us that the planet will become warmer. Look up Joseph Fourier's paper, 1827. China sees average temperature in coastal waters hit a record high. Why? Because the global ocean covers 71% of the ocean, and it is warmer now than it has ever been. Arctic sea ice is melting sooner and will soon melt totally in September, which means the global ocean must rise. Glaciers worldwide are growing, as in Argentina, where, guess what? Their last glacier is gone. What is Starmer's plan to burn Britain? Turn Britain into an A1 supercomputer. Well, I don't know, but it's going to pass the cost of that on to us. That's called kicking the can down the road, passing the buck. Also, it's called moral corruption. Cost of Sizewell C nuclear project expected to reach close to 40 billion. Well, that's all what I call intergenerational moral corruption because it's just another way to pass the buck for our splendid living conditions, passing the buck on to future generations. Climate and energy comment. The Guardian view on A1 and public services. I do recommend The Guardian. It is a place to read stuff that isn't so tainted by corporate and oligarch disinformation. LA fires, why fast wildfires and those started by human activities are more destructive and harder to contain. New climate research, profound changes in the seasonal cycle of sea level along the U.S. mid-Atlantic coast. That's important to know. You might be interested in knowing the Pentagon, especially the Navy, has their eyes out on the rise of the coastal waters on the Atlantic coast because Virginia has one of the greatest Navy bases of all time. Climate change. Anyway, I'm going to let you read this for yourself. You'll find the link below in the description box, along with other important links like NASA Climate Kids and that sort of thing. Good luck to you.